Hello, my name is Alejandro Ramirez Limas. I am the solutions architect for the solicitation management system sponsored by the Washington State Department of Commerce. In this video, we will show you how to submit feedback and view responses for a funding opportunity application. Once you have read the disclaimer, choose Agree and Enter. Once the applicant's portal page loads, choose My Feedback and Responses. On the My Feedback and Responses page, you will notice any feedback and responses you have submitted. Every feedback has to be attached to a funding application, so choose Active Bidding Opportunities. And from the Active Bidding Opportunities page, select the funding opportunity that you want to give feedback on. Press the Action menu, and from here, choose Submit New Feedback. Once the Submit New Feedback page loads, you will notice under Funding Application, the RFX type, the RFX number, and the RFX title. This is to indicate what funding opportunity you are submitting feedback for. Under Request Title, enter a title indicative to your feedback, and under Request Description, enter a description indicative to your feedback. Feedback allows the coordinators to understand if there are items in the funding opportunities that are not necessarily questions, but are simply things that the applicants are trying to point out. So having this space allows you, the applicant, to provide feedback regarding funding opportunities so that those feedback may be used for future funding opportunities. In this case, I'm saying in my title that this is regarding pre-bid response conference feedback. And my request description is pre-bid response conferences were too close to the funding opportunity closing date. And I'm going to add, please provide more time between these two. Thus indicating that for future funding opportunities, the coordinator should take this into account and provide more time between the pre-bid conferences and the closing date. Once you are completed with this, press Submit. Upon pressing Submit, you will be given the opportunity to add attachments. So if you have attachments to add, press Add Files, press Choose Files, go to the location on your computer where you have your feedback attachment, choose the feedback attachment, press Open, and press Add Files. Once the file has been added, you will see it under Attachments. Once you complete, press Submit. Once you press Submit, you will see Submission completed successfully. To go back to this inquiry, press Applicant Portals, and then choose My Feedback and Responses. Here, you will see the feedback that you have submitted, who is the coordinator for this feedback, and also what is its current status. As it shows active, this means that it has not yet been resolved. To see if there are any resolutions to the case, come back to this page periodically until the status changes from active to resolved. As you notice, the notification changes to say that your request was resolved, and that's indicating that this request shown here has been resolved. Go ahead and press the Action menu and press View and Edit Details to see the resolution. And the resolution for this feedback states that dates will be reviewed. And it also shows what is the resolution type and when this was resolved. And these are the steps required to submit feedback and review responses. Thank you for watching.